Hi guys, today we'll talk about the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus versus Xiaomi Redmi K70 Pro. The Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus launched on September 2023 with the price tag of $999 and the Xiaomi Redmi K70 Pro launched on November 2023 with the price tag of $600. The dimension is same, not much difference, and the weight of these devices. The Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus comes with 225 grams and the Xiaomi Redmi K70 Pro comes with 209 grams. And the build of these devices, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus comes with front and back glass and aluminium frame, and the same Redmi K70 Pro front and back glass and the aluminium frame. The both mobile come with dual SIM, nano SIM card, and the display of the devices. The Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus comes with LTPO OLED 1 billion color, and Xiaomi Redmi K70 Pro comes with OLED 68 billion color. And the screen size of these devices, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus comes with 6.82 inches, and Redmi K70 Pro Plus comes with 6.67 inches. The resolution of the devices, the Redmi K70 Pro Plus comes with 1440 by 3200 pixel, and the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus comes with 1260 by 2720 resolution. The PPI density of Redmi K70 Pro have 526, and the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus comes with 440. The refresh rate is same, 120 Hz, and the screen to body ratio, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus comes with 88.5% and the Redmi K70 Pro comes with 89.0%. The Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus comes with Huawei Kunlun Glass 2 protection, and the Xiaomi Redmi K70 Pro comes with Xiaomi's Longjing Glass. And the screen brightness of these devices, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus comes with 3000 nits peak of brightness, and the Redmi K70 Pro comes with 4000 nits peak of brightness. And the camera setup of these devices, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 48 megapixel wide, 40 megapixel ultra wide, and 48 megapixel periscope telephoto, and it's record 4K 60 fps video. And the Xiaomi Redmi K70 Pro comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel telephoto, and 12 megapixel ultra wide, and it's record 8K 30 fps video. The selfie camera of these devices, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus comes with dual selfie camera, the 13 megapixel and a TOF 3D biometric sensor, and it's record 4K 60 fps video. And Xiaomi Redmi K70 Pro comes with 16 megapixel of selfie camera and record 1080p 60 fps video. The platform of these devices, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus comes with octa-core Tizen based CPU, and the Redmi K70 Pro comes with octa-core Cortex X4, and the Redmi K70 Pro comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset, and the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus comes with Kirin 9000S 7nm chipset. The GPU of these devices, the Xiaomi Redmi K70 Pro comes with Adreno 750, and the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus comes with Maloon 910 GPU, and the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus comes with Harmony OS, and the Xiaomi Redmi K70 Pro comes with Android 14. Let's go to the memory setup. The Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus comes with 16GB of RAM, and the Xiaomi Redmi K70 Pro comes with 12GB, 16GB and 24GB of RAM. And the internal storage, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus comes with 512GB and 1TB of internal storage, and Xiaomi Redmi K70 Pro comes with 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage. And Huawei supported nano memory card, and the Xiaomi Redmi K70 Pro have no support any SD card. Let's talk about the battery setup of these devices. The Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus and the Xiaomi Redmi K70 Pro comes with 5000 mAh battery, and Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus comes with 88 watt fast charging, and Redmi K70 Pro comes with 120 watt fast charging. The wireless charging of these devices, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus supported 50 watt wireless charging, and the both devices supported 5G network. And the common features, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus have Face ID and fingerprint under display, and the Xiaomi Redmi K70 Pro have fingerprint under display, and some common features in both mobiles. And the result of the device, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus got 19 points and the Xiaomi Redmi K70 Pro got 22 points.